All right, good morning, guys. Morning. Morning. So we're gonna switch some things up today. I know you guys have so much excitement with the Hunger Games, both with the book and the movie. So we're gonna use that text, I know it's in front of you guys, to engage in our unit for today. So first off, before we start, how's everyone doing today? Thumbs up for good? Great. All right, so does anyone have any other questions? Yes, Brittany.
So is that why Katniss is on the board right now?
Yes, indeed. This is going to lead into our lesson. So don't forget to jot notes down in your papers. So our goal for today is to understand the significance of character traits in a text and to be able to use context clues and justification. Great. Good job, Veronica, for writing things down, and great job, Brittany, for highlighting key parts. Yes, Veronica, do you have a question?
I was wondering what actually makes a character trait.
Good. Does anyone have any ideas of what makes a character trait? Yes, Brittany.
I think it has something to do with the personality of a character.
All right, so personality. Anyone else? Let's take that a step further.
Maybe it's the way that a character shows who they are based on what they do or what they think.
What they do and what they think. Great. So I think you guys brought up two great points. And wait, is that it? No. Okay, I'm going quickly. So with character traits, there are two important things that I want you guys to know: behaviors and attitudes. The way a person acts and how they show what they act with, what they do and how they feel, pretty much sums up a person's personality trait. And you can see this in your text. Great job. All right, so now we're going to come together. I want you guys to do a think, pair, share. And you can write this in bullet points or talk to each other. Look in your book. I know I told you guys in the do now to turn to page 3 on chapter 5 and try to think of character traits with Katniss. So take a few moments to do that. Good job. How are you doing? Good. Good job. All right, I'll give you guys a few more moments. All right, we're going to come together now to share responses. Does anyone want to go first? Yes, Brittany.
Well, in chapter 5, it could show that Katniss is very brave, but she's also very stubborn.
Brave, and you said stubborn, right?
Yes.
Okay, I want you guys to note this because Brittany brings up a good point. Brave and stubborn, there's something different between that. They're both something positive and something negative. So with character traits, just like us humans are not perfect, people have good qualities and bad qualities. Good job. Anyone else? Yes, Veronica.
Okay, so I think that she's daring and she's strong enough to do things that others won't, like when she volunteers for her sister. But I also think that she can be a little selfish sometimes.
That's great, and I think we do find that. Good job, Veronica. I see that you're turning to your first page in the front of the paragraph. So I want you guys to take a moment to highlight that and write down these traits so that when you go back into the reading, you'll have a better understanding. All right, does everyone have these notes down so far?
Yep.
Great. So now we're going to come together, and if you guys can flip your worksheet, I'm going to show you guys a chance so that we can commemorate not only Katniss because we love her as a character, but to remember how to identify character traits, not just in this book, but in other pieces of text. So I'm going to start off with doing the first stanza, the first couple lines, and you'll repeat after me. So it's like Katniss, you don't want to miss how to identify a character. 1, 2, 3. Like Katniss, you don't want to miss how to identify a character. So I'll move on to the next part. She can be strong, she can be brave, she can be daring, and that's okay. Does everyone get that? All right, 1, 2, 3. She can be strong, she can be brave, she can be daring, and that's okay. Great, so I think you guys did a really great job in understanding everything. Don't forget to write your homework down, and I will see you guys next class.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.